And let's go to the reason why this is called Frame Me Up. I'm going to hit this one, create luxury living room options. And it's going to give me 5 options. And it describes each option. I'm going to ask to create. This will create its own image with a picture already in the frame. And you can use this as a mock-up when you're doing your own images. But I want to change that image in the frame. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that real quick. I'm going to say, I'm going to choose this image again. And I'm going to say, please add this image to living room frame.
Oh, now you done messed me up with this one, Miss London, because I didn't know what did this now. You done
Yeah,
messed me up.
it's just so, and added her to the frame. You can also say, please change.
Wow.
Let me get that. Art style. Like, please change style in frame to my favorite impasto style.